So Makazi has posted has announced the has announced her upcoming album, put it out a date that she will drop the album, and pasted the album cover to show his fans the album cover. But people, when they saw the album cover, they went crazy, cause her album cover was similar. It's so similar to Rihanna's. Matter of fact, it's like a copy of Rihanna's unapologetic album cover. So Makazi copied Rihanna's album cover, and social media went crazy over that, saying like, is it lack of creativity or is it laziness? I mean, and there's a lot of people like, to look at the situation. Yeah. That's that. Marcus copied Rihanna's thing, Rihanna's album cover, right? But I think that thing has been happening for a long time, or it's a thing here in the industry. It's like, cause Ricky Rick's album is like similar to the Game's album. El Vovo was similar to Jay-Z's. Big Zulu recent 200 bars cover is similar to 50 cents. People were also comparing that, like, Rehan, or I mean Big Zulu is copying 50 cents. But I think this is the thing here in the industry. I think it's mirroring or something. I don't know. It's mirroring, I guess. I don't know, building. I don't know what they are doing, but I think that's the thing here in the industry. Like, people are like faking other people's things and whatnot. So yeah, tell me what you think about covers being similar to other covers. Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing?